Twitter is one of the most popular social media sites because it has millions of active users and is an excellent place to market. But there are already a lot of marketers making money on Twitter, so it can be hard to stand out. What's good? With the right plan, you can improve how you market on Twitter and start making money right away. That's why we're all here. In this video, we'll tell you how to start making money right away on Twitter. Before we get to that, there are a few things you can check to make your Twitter marketing efforts more successful. Make sure your Twitter account is ready for marketing. This is the first step to making money on Twitter. Today, we'll show you some of our tried and true marketing tips to help you make money on Twitter. Let's start and take a look at them. Number 10, become a ghostwriter. Someone who writes tweets and threads for other people or businesses is called a Twitter ghostwriter. In return, the ghostwriter gets paid for the writing they do. It's a tried and true idea that can turn into a six-figure business quickly. For example, a client recently delivered one of my good Twitter friends $12,500 for his ghostwriting services. Here's a tried and true way to get your first client for ghostwriting. Get Create 24/7s here. Use the tried and true methods in the course. Continue to write, learn, and grow your Twitter brand. Get in touch with people who want to sell goods or services. Set up a call or meeting with your possible client. After a prospect has expressed interest in your ghostwriting, you may request a call with them and ask them pointed questions. Once you have determined the answers to these questions, you may consider how to compose your tweets and potentially even Twitter threads. And that's why I think the best way to begin your journey as a ghostwriter is to learn the strategies and Create 24/7s. Number 9, crowdsourcing projects. Crowdsourcing is a way to make money on Twitter. It would be great if you persuaded your followers to fund your business or idea to do this. Most of the time, this is done by working with micro-patronage or crowdfunding sites like Kickstarter, which has time-limited campaigns to fund specific projects, or Patreon, where patrons offer a monthly amount in exchange for regular content from their favorite artists or creators. Crowdsourcing lets you support your most ambitious ideas and can even give you a steady income, but you have to do it right for it to work. If you choose this option, look at the successes and failures of projects like yours before starting your marketing plan. Number 8, doing affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the most effective way to earn money on Twitter. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing. Affiliates are compensated for promoting a product or service when visitors to the advertiser's website perform the desired action. You may be wondering how Twitter affiliates are paid. Suppose you want to make money through affiliate marketing on Twitter. In that case, you should select a reasonable offer in your niche and provide content that addresses your audience's pain points. You can put affiliate links in your tweets if you use Twitter. Don't get too excited though. Putting too many affiliate links on your page can look like spam, and you could even be banned from the platform. It works better to send people to a landing page that has affiliate links. Number 7, promote your brand's products. Here's something to think about: 93% of Twitter users who follow small and medium-sized businesses plan to buy from them. You can tell your followers about your brand's products or services on Twitter. Since these people are already interested in what you say, it will be much easier to sell many of your products to them. They've added exciting photos of people using their products and a description of why you should buy them. Also, their brand is promoted by a relevant hashtag. Anyone who wants to buy the item can click on the link and buy it. You can get a lot of sales at once by letting people know about a sale or special discount on Twitter. You can also ask people on Twitter to retweet your posts, which will help you reach even more people. But if you only post about your products too often, people might get bored and stop following you. Number 6, sell products. It's not a new idea to make money by selling things on Twitter, but many people forget to include it in their plans. Old-school marketing can be very effective in dealing with Twitter. Here are some examples. Don't beat around the bush if you want your fans to buy. Campaigns like Offer of the Day and Limited Stock have been very successful for many businesses. How about giving your followers a discount code that only they can use? Remember that just because you use older marketing methods doesn't mean you have to become a spammer. Put out a wide range of content, but don't post too much or you'll lose your followers. Number 5, building an email list. You can grow your email list by using the platform. You can do this with lead magnets like a free guide or a webinar that helps your audience solve some of their problems. When building an email list, the most important thing is to give your audience something of value. So make sure your content meets the needs of your followers. To get more people on your email list, make an opt-in page and link it to your tweets to get people there. Add appealing images to your posts. Make it easy to share your tweets. To get more attention, use Twitter cards. Use pinned tweets to drive people to the pages where people can sign up. In your bio, link to the page where people can sign up. Number 4, purchase Twitter ads. You have to spend money sometimes to make money. Twitter just came out with a new creator studio that has a lot of ways to make money, including letting users make money off their tweets and videos. Whether you want to build brand awareness or get more people to buy from you so you can make more money, Twitter ads can be a beneficial tool. You can choose from more than 20 types of ads on Twitter, but I suggest starting with promoted tweets to show off your products or services so you can reach more people and start making money on the platform. Number 3. Provide customer service. Customer service is a crucial component of any successful organization. Customer service doesn't always help you make money directly, but it can help you get more leads and keep the customers you already have. Help Scout says 7 out of 10 U.S. consumers have paid more to do business with a company with excellent service, and people want customer service that is faster and easier to use than ever before. Because of this, you should use Twitter to help your customers. Some big companies like UPS have Twitter accounts that are just for helping customers. You don't need to run a big business to give excellent customer service on Twitter. All you have to do is be available to your customers and help them solve their problems quickly. This will help your business make more sales. But it's almost impossible to be there for your customers 24/7 unless you use a Twitter chatbot. A Twitter chatbot can be available to your customers day and night and uses artificial intelligence (AI) to answer their questions. Number 2. Twitter Media Studio. Twitter is adding more ways for creators to make money. Now content creators have many ways to make money from their work and can do so on a large scale. In 2016, they made Media Studio just for content creators to help them quickly make money from their Twitter presence and directly from the platform. You can do the following with Twitter Media Studio: a new unified media library, videos, GIFs, and images, new ways to plan scheduled tweets, team management and support for more than one account. Stability and upload speed have gotten better. Even an earnings section makes tracking how much you make from Twitter and your niche programs easy. Some benefits of the program are: work with top brands in your field on a campaign-by-campaign basis. Join creators from all over the world at special events and meetups. You can look at statistics for all of your major social networks. Number 1. Use YouTube. You can also use your knowledge of social networks to make money by making a tutorial channel on YouTube. Please find out your users' most common questions and problems and give them step-by-step solutions. When your videos reach a certain number of views, you can use AdSense to profit from them. As you can see, there are many ways to make more money with your Twitter account. The only thing stopping you is your imagination. But no matter what you do, remember that making money from social media should be considered an investment for the long term. Followers are your most valuable asset, so make sure they know you appreciate them and give them high-quality content all the time. Only then will they keep following you, which will help you make money on Twitter. How many Twitter followers do you need to make money? The best thing about making money on Twitter is that you can start getting paid with as few as 1,000 followers. Many growing influencers want to have a lot of followers, but the key to making more money on Twitter is not how many followers you have, but how engaged those followers are. A user who consistently gets hundreds of likes, comments, and retweets is likelier to make a sale than someone with more followers but only gets a couple of dozen. Consistent likes, comments, and retweets show that your followers are interested in what you do and like it. Ask your followers to do things to get them more involved. Over the past 8 years, Twitter has become more significant. About 30 million people use Facebook monthly in the first quarter of 2010. There are 335 million active users on the platform, which keeps growing. Of course, you must work hard, be creative, and have a lot of patience to make money on Twitter. Before you can make money from Twitter and show that it is worth your time, you need a consistent and long-term marketing plan. But even so, it's still worth the work. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, click the like and the bell buttons. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.